Welcome, students. This is your instructor, Mrs. Jordan. I want to first just congratulate all of you for doing such a wonderful job in our week 1 discussion on levering the syllabus. I really enjoyed all of the comments that I have been reading so far, and I have enjoyed getting to know each and every one of you. I wanted you to see my face and see that I'm actually a real breathing person behind the course, behind the computer, and a few of you I had the pleasure of speaking with this week on the phone. So wanted you to know a little bit about the course and to be better prepared to be successful in this class. First things first, if I have not already welcomed all of you, I want to first welcome you. Please begin to explore the course, read the course syllabus, read my instructor bio, become familiar with the learning modules and the discussion boards. Please order your textbook as soon as you can. It's simple, it's fast, and it's also a requirement. You won't be able to complete any of the Learn Smart activities, your homework assignments or exams, or be prepared for any of those future exams without accessing the digital Learn Smart textbook. Also, you probably have noticed that the course is distributed in different categories. Each assignment has a certain amount of weight. So for example, our discussions are worth 40 points. Your Learn Smart activities, 50. Video and reading quizzes are worth 50 as well. The My Success Plan activity is worth 65 points. Your journal responses are worth 50 points. Your Project 1 is worth 90 points. And Project 2, your academic success plan, is worth 155 points. You also might want to note a look at our assignments weekly schedule. In week 1 right now, we are looking at the syllabus and the student handbook, and you were responding in our 1-2 discussion. You also have a 1-1 quiz. So keep in mind with all of the quizzes, you can take those as many times as needed for a perfect score. As we go into week 2, we will continue to have weekly discussions, but we're going to also you will be putting together a success plan for yourself called the My Success Plan activity. That is worth 65 points for next week. And then going into week 3, we will continue working in Learn Smart. We'll be working in chapter 3, and you will be learning power and learning strategies, and you will have a journal in week 3. As we go into week 4, we will be focused on chapter 2. In this particular chapter, we will explore time management, and you will have a Learn Smart activity and, of course, the discussion. And as we go into week 5, we'll be focused on chapter 4, those power learning strategies for success, and you will be putting together your academic mission statement in week 5. And then in week 6, we will continue to explore more learning strategies and study tips in chapter 6, and then you will have a discussion and a Learn Smart activity, and you will be allowed unlimited attempts on that. And then when we go into week 7, that is where you will see that major project, Project 2. And then week 8, we will wrap things up. Every week we do have required class discussions. Your first initial post is always due by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You are also required to always go back into the discussion for that week and respond to 2 of your classmates by each Sunday evening by 11:59. You can always make your posts early so that you always meet your discussion deadlines. And here's the rubric. One of the things that you are graded on is timeliness, so please make sure that you're responding before the required deadlines. Also, please make sure that your posts are 1 to 2 paragraphs. 1 to 2 paragraphs, students, please don't be overwhelmed by that phrase. I know for some of you, you probably think it's an essay. It really isn't. 1 to 2 paragraphs in the discussion post basically means that I consider a paragraph a minimum of 5 sentences. So if you're writing 2 paragraphs, you're looking at 10 sentences. If you write more and your posts are substantive, that's awesome. Your grade will be better and higher. And rule number 1, students, let's just have fun in this class. Please, please, please don't get too overwhelmed or stressed out with all of the deadlines through the week. The key is to effectively just simply manage your time throughout the week. So let's have fun. Always read your weekly announcements, and please know that I am here for you as your SNHU 107 teacher. Here's also a look at my contact information. My office hours are daily, 11:45 to 12:45 EST Standard Time, 9 to 10 each evening. I will be logged in Monday through Thursday. My cell number is 979-661-2500, and there is my email address. Feel free to contact me anytime that you need to if you have any questions or concerns, students. I just want to let you know that I am so happy and it is an honor to be your instructor for this semester, for this term. Let's have a wonderful term. And again, I am accessible. Feel free to text me, to call me, to email me anytime if you have any questions or concerns. Some of you have already done so, and I've enjoyed meeting each and every one of you. Let's have a wonderful rest of week 1, and happy Friday, students.